Acharya Shankara said in Updesh Sahasri 1549-50, Vidita avidabhyam tad anyat ev iti sasnat band mokshadayo bhavas tadvat atmani kalpita. Brahman is other than the none and unknown, as said in Ken Upanishad 1.4. Likewise, the states of bondage, liberation, etc. are falsely attributed to the self. Naho ratre yatha surye prabharupa visheshta bodhrupa visheshan no bodha bodho dathatmani. As there is no day or night for the sun, because it is nothing but the light. Likewise, the self is nothing but consciousness, and hence there is no knowledge or ignorance for the self. Verse 15:51-52 says, Yathoktam Brahma yo veda anopadana varjitam yathoktena vidhanena so satyam neva jayate. Knowing that the self can neither be accepted or rejected through the method designated in Upanishads, one is truly not born again. Janma mrityu pravahesu patito neva saknuyat it uddhartumatmanam jnana danyane kenchit. One who has fallen into the current of birth and death cannot save oneself from it through any means other than the knowledge. Verse 15:53 says, Vidite hridaganthisya siddhyante sarva sansya chiyante chasya karmani tasmin drishta iti srute. The knots of the heart are broken, all doubts are severed, and all karmas removed when the self is discovered. Thus says the scripture. Mundak Upanishad 2-8 says, Vidite hridaganthisya siddhyante sarva sansya chiyante chasya karmani tasmin drishte parabare. When he is seen in both higher and lower state, the knots of the heart is united, all doubts are solved, and all his karma is consumed. Higher state is the deep sleep or past mental impressions in the form of knowledge and experiences which sprouts into thoughts, dreams, desires, etc., known as the lower state or dream state. One remains conscious of thoughts, dreams, desires, etc., and also accepts its presence in his own consciousness, but do not accept the source of its origin, that is knowledge or mental impressions, as also the part of his own consciousness. This is the cause of duality manifested here in this universe. When one realizes that both the higher state of mental impressions, knowledge, etc., as well as the lower state of thoughts, dreams, desires, etc., are emanating from his own consciousness, all knots of his heart are severed, all doubts cleared, and all his past actions become dissipated. Knots of the heart are host of tendency and impressions of ignorance in the form of desires that hang on to the intelligence. Kama ye asya hriday sthita, as declared by Katha Upanishad 2.3.14 and Vrihadaranyaka Upanishad 4.4.7. Verse 15:54 says, Mam aham iti etad apohya sarvato vimukta deham padam ambaropamam sudrist sastarna mitibhya iritam vimuchite asmin yadi nischito nara. Having completely removed the idea of me and mine, the state of being bodiless and vast like a space is gained through proper study and reasoning. When this state is clearly realized, one is liberated.